Here we are, they're just on approaches of the canal, so we're all bunched up together now just before we go through. See all the boats ahead of us. The lead boat is right down the front there, going to lead us through. Give a wave then, you're on video. Say cheese or whatever. Nearly there. Morning, El. Lovely. Give a wave. Morning. And a shout. Great. So this is the entrance to the canal now. We're leading up there. See all that, it's left us town as you go through, so it's starting to get built up a bit. Give us a wave, little Ann! Give us a wave! Good girl! Where's the other bit of motley crew gone?
Oh, he's downstairs. Robert?
Robert, come up here and get on the video before we go through.
Rob?
Where's he gone?
Rob? Oh, he's in toilet. He's in the head.
Open the hatch, I'll take one.
Rob?
Open it. Coming up here.
Coming up first.
On the video. I got the back of your head now. Turn round. Say hello, everybody.
Hello.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Right, I'll do a bit as we go through.